Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you may be in the world. Welcome to question 3 for paper 2 final exam preparation series. And we are interacting with trig functions in this video. And as you can see on the board, we have the cosine function as well as the tangent function. All right, let us take a look at the questions that we are going to answer in this lesson. So let us look at the first two. Here you go. Good, so we are given cos 2x plus 1, but the original function cos x has the period of 360 degrees. So definitely this 2 will affect the period. And how will it affect it? This 360 degrees divided by 2, giving you 180 degrees. Okay, so you always take the original period divided by the coefficient of the angle to get the new period. Okay, if it's 1, obviously it doesn't change the original period. Okay, question B, we need to write down the asymptotes of our function g, and we're given a domain 0 degrees to 270 degrees, all inclusive. So where will the asymptotes exist? At 90 degrees and also at 270 degrees. That's where the function is undefined. Okay, good stuff. So then the natural expectation is that we'll be asked to sketch these two functions. Let us have a look at the third question. Here you go. Okay, so as expected, we were going to sketch the two graphs. Okay, so have we indicated the asymptotes? Yes. Have we indicated the two graphs? Yes. There we go. And do we have the turning points indicated? Yes. And have we indicated the endpoints? Yes. So always tick, highlight, check that you've indicated every characteristic or property that you are asked to indicate on the sketch itself so that you can attain full marks. All right, so this is straightforward, but then there will definitely be a follow-up question or follow-up questions about your sketch. And how does the question look like? Here you go. All right, so the question is asking us for a general solution where this is happening. F of x equal to g of x. Okay, looking at the sketch, because we need to use the sketch to generate the solution. They are intersecting at 45 degrees, yes, and then again at 225. What is the interval between the two? Is 45 to 225. The difference will be 180. Okay, so that is what we bring into our solution. So it's x equal to 45 degrees. Okay, but after 180 degrees, we have a solution. After 180 degrees, there will be another solution. After 180 degrees, another solution. Not only to infinity, but to also negative infinity. So that is why we have k 180 degrees, but also we describe what is happening with this k. It is an element of integers. Okay, covering all the negative solutions as well as positive solutions. So I believe that was straightforward, does make sense to you, and that will bring us to the end of this question involving trig functions. Okay, great stuff. We are now heading off to question 4. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Sharp, sharp.